Imagine waking up in the middle of a desert, quiet, golden sun creeping over the horizon, and stepping out of an RV that looks like it's straight from a sci-fi film, yet has the soul of the 1960s. Welcome to the world of the 2026 vintage futuristic RV, where classic design meets future tech like never before. From the outside, it's a jaw-dropper. A sleek, chrome body wrapped in retro curves and stylish fins, with circular neon-accented headlights glowing like eyes from another planet. It doesn't just park somewhere, it makes a statement. It's part Airstream nostalgia, part Blade Runner dream. But once you step inside, that's where the magic truly begins. The interior is an art piece. Polished wood walls blend with touch-responsive glass panels. There's a jukebox-style entertainment hub that connects to your favorite streaming services. A panoramic smart roof above your head adjusts tint and temperature based on the sunlight, giving you shade or stars on demand. And get this. The entire layout changes with voice command. Want a cozier lounge? Say the word and the walls shift, the seats rotate, and the mood lighting adapts to your vibe. But let's talk about the real game changer, mobility. This RV isn't running on gas. Nope. Underneath that vintage shell is an all-electric powertrain with solar-integrated panels built right into the body. Charge it as you drive, or let the sun top you up while you camp. And thanks to AI-assisted navigation and terrain adaptation, it drives like a dream, even if you're off the grid. There's even a holographic dashboard. That's right, no more cluttered screens or clunky buttons. Just wave your hand in the air to pull up maps, system diagnostics, or even a 3D projection of the stars above you. Oh, and did I mention it has a drone companion that can scout trails, film your road trip, or fly ahead to help plan your campsite? The kitchen? Retro style, but fully loaded. Think brushed copper appliances, fold-out induction cooktops, and a fridge that monitors your groceries and suggests recipes. And for coffee lovers, there's a built-in vintage espresso station that rivals any downtown cafe. Every corner of this RV whispers comfort but shouts innovation. It's the kind of vehicle that turns a road trip into an experience, making the journey as unforgettable as the destination. Whether you're cruising through neon-lit cities or exploring mountain trails, it feels like you're living in a time machine built for the future. And just when you think it can't get better, there's a hidden pop-up deck. Yes, seriously. With a tap, a section of the roof rises and unfolds into an open-air lounge with solar fairy lights, a fire pit table, and foldable chairs. Perfect for stargazing or just feeling the breeze after a long day of driving. The 2026 vintage futuristic RV isn't just transportation. It's freedom, redefined. It's nostalgia with a turbo boost. It's for those who dare to dream differently and drive boldly. And trust me,